It's the NYX 24-day advent calendar. So excited to get into this one. If you want to see what I got inside, then you need to keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah and
Owen.
And we're here today to open the NYX Diamond and Ice advent calendar. It's got 24 doors. I thought I'd bring them a little helper so that we could try and move this video along quite quickly. So just before I get into that, don't forget to enter the giveaway. I'll leave the link for that video down below, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe if you like these sort of videos. We do all kinds of unboxings on here, makeup, we do beauty, skincare, clothes, fashion, you name it, we do it. So if that appeals to you, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. So Owen is going to open the doors and I will tell you what each product is. So I'm really excited about getting this, and we've also got the part 2 of that, which we're going to do, and that is I think this is a 12-day lipstick one. So we've got all lip products in this, which anyone that knows me and my channel, I love lipsticks. Okay, so we're going to start off with door number 1. So what have we got? Oh, we've got a beautiful lipstick. It's a matte, so that's it there. How cute are these? I don't think I own any NYX makeup at all. Oh my god, that is so my colour. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we've got door number 2. Oh, this is a NYX. This is a Born to Glow. It's a liquid illuminator. Looking forward to giving that a go. And then door number 3, oh, we've got another lip product colour. It's like a kind of rosy mauvey colour. Absolutely gorgeous. Look forward to trying that. And door number 4, see, we're pinging along because of my little helper here. And this is a little eyeshadow. Again, beautiful colour. A shimmer. Gorgeous. Door number 5. What is this? This is a NYX Professional lip scrub. Yay! I love this packaging. It's in a little tin. And it's gorgeous. Look at that. Smells amazing. Okay, door number, are we 6?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a butter gloss. Now, take that back, I do own a couple of these butter gloss by NYX and I absolutely love them. The formula is so nice, it kind of stays on for quite some time. It's a beautiful, beautiful colour. And there's quite a bit of pigment there as well. Really happy with that. Door number 7. Looks like we've got another little eyeshadow. Oh, stunning, gorgeous. It's like a silver. Lovely. Door number 8. Oh, we've got another, what is this? Oh, it's a lip oil. Yay. So happy with this box. Okay. The packaging's so lovely. Look, how cute are these? Door number
9.
This is another lip oil. I'm assuming they're different colours. Strange to have 2 of the same product right next to each other. So yeah, this has got a little bit of colour to it. Not much, but just a little bit. Door number
10.
This is a Born to Glow. This is a liquid illuminator. So it's not the same as that one, but just a different colour. I believe they are the same. So this is the new one. So I'm assuming this is a different colour one. I think that says Gleam, and this is shade colour Sunbeam. Good. Okay, door number, what are we on now?
11.
Ooh, 11. Again, we've got another liquid lipstick. Again, I'm loving this colour. Quite festive, Christmassy colours, which is great. Lovely. It's this one here. The lipsticks I'm very happy with. They seem to be very pigmented. And door number
12.
Ooh, this is so cute. Look at this, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is a lip loving balm. The colour's gorgeous. I wonder if there's any actual colour on it. No, it seems rather clear. Even still, it's something that I will use. Door number
13.
13, unlucky for some. This is a finishing powder. It's mineral based. And it's translucent, so it's that. So you get quite a nice size products. I like translucent powders. Great. And we got another lipstick. This is a matte. And this is in the colour shade Natural. So there we are. Very pretty. And it's that one there. And these colours are so different from each other, which is great as well. Door number
15.
Ooh, we got another butter gloss. Oh, I think I got this colour one. Yeah, creme brulee. Just got a little bit of colour to it to give your lips a little bit of colour if you don't want to go full in with lipsticks. Formula is really nice on them. Door number
16.
Door number 16. This is a beautiful like copper toned shimmer eyeshadow. Oh, beautiful. Such Christmassy colours, which I really enjoy. It's gorgeous. And door
17.
number 17. Oh, that's quite close to that one. That eyeshadow we just looked at. Here's another one, very similar colour. Maybe a tad bit darker. Yeah, this is more of a gold. The other one was more like a copper tone. So I'm running out of space now. Let's go up my arm. Look at that, guys. That colour payoff is amazing. Lovely. Next one.
18.
We have door number 18. This is another matte lipstick. This is in the colour shade, what are you? Siren. And this is quite a deep mauve colour. Very autumn colours. Very wintry. Let's pop some of this up here. Just so you can see the colours. Beautiful. Okay, door number
19.
We have another lipstick. This is the matte lipstick. This is in the colour Whipped Caviar. Again, very wearable colour lipsticks, which is what you want. And it is stunning. I like that a lot. In fact, I like all the lipsticks, to be fair. I'm just a lipstick junkie. Okay, and door number
20.
Ooh, this is a really nice colour eyeshadow. This is like a deep rose colour, and it is a shimmer, and it is stunning. Let me just go in a little bit more on that one. Yeah. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, door number
21.
This is HD Studio Photogenic, a eyeshadow base for your eyeshadow application. So that's always handy. Okay. I like how there in this box there are different sort of products as well. Door number
22.
We have another eyeshadow. This is in the shade Antique Gold. Again, stunning. Very Christmassy, very autumn. Wow. And there you go. How gorgeous. I mean, these would just be nice just to put a transition colour on and then just put that on your lid. Not much effort required with these. Okay, and then door number
23.
23, we have another butter gloss. This is a stunning colour as well. And this is like a sort of a mauvey colour. Yeah, nice. And then we have door number.
Very last door.
The very last door we have a pore filler, so like a primer. Never tried this primer before. Okay, so I have to say that for £50 I'm so happy with this unboxing. The fact that you get 24 products, they're decent sized products as well. There's going to be some stuff in there for everybody, every skin tone. I'm really impressed. Okay, so that is the unboxing of the NYX Diamond and Ice 24 advent calendar. Okay, please don't forget to check out that giveaway. I will leave the link down below for you. And again, if you like these kind of videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, little helper. Bye for now. Speak soon. Mwah. Take care. Bye.
Bye.